गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, मैं भावना कुमारी आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ अपने चैनल एडुवंच में। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है क्लास 8th साइंस सब्जेक्ट, चैप्टर है आपका 6th एंड कंबल्शन एंड द फ्लेम। नाउ we will start the chapter. The combustible substances which burn in the air are called combustible substance. It means those substance which can be catch fire, that can be called combustible substance. Oxygen is the air which is essential for the combustion. Without oxygen, combustion will never take place. Now, during the process of combustion, the heat and the light are given out. As you know, when we are burning something, so heat and light will be generated. Igneous temperature is the lowest temperature at which the combustible substance catch the fire. It means the temperature at which the substance start burning is called igneous temperature. Inflammable substances have very low initial temperature. It means inflammable substances are those substances which can be catch fire in the less temperature. Fire can be commonly used to the water can be used to control the fire, but water cannot be used to control fire when the fire will be occur due to the electrical or due to the electric circuit or the oil. There are the various type of combustion such as rapid combustion, a combustion that take place rapidly with a high speed with the production of the heat and light are called rapid combustion. It means those combustion or those burning which can be spread very high speed is called rapid combustion. Spontaneous combustion, a combustion in which the material suddenly bursts into the flame without the application of any apparent cause are called spontaneous combustion. Like when the temperature get high, there are when due to the friction and the sun heat, the forest are start burning by own self. That means that is a spontaneous combustion will be occur. Explosion, the process of the combustion in which the large number of gases are involved with the production of the tremendous amount of heat, light and sound are called explosion. Like the burning of crackers are called explosion because here the sound get also produced and the large amount of heat and many gases will be generated. Now there are the three different zones of the flame. Dark zone, it contains the various vapors of the fuel and unburned carbon particles, that is the outermost part. Luminous zone of the flame, the middle zone, the partial combustion that will be yellow in color. It means the flame is in a yellow color and produce light is called luminous zone of flame. Non-luminous zone of flame, it means that is the outer zone of the flame that is finally blue in color and undergo the complete combustion of the substance that produce the large amount of heat. The fuel is a combustible substance which may be burned and produce considerable heat without the formation of the undesirable product. It means here the heat heat will be generated with the less amount of waste will be occur. Waste, it means the ashes, less amount of the ashes will be occur. Now the ideal fuel, the fuel which fulfill the requirement of the particular use are called the ideal fuel. Ideal fuel is produce the large amount of heat energy and complete combustion will be occur. 1 kg of the fuel is called its calorific value. It means the amount of energy which is produced by burning or combustion of the 1 kg of fuel is called the calorific value. It is expressed in an amount of kilojoule. Unburned carbon particles in the air are the dangerous pollutant causing the respiratory problems. Like the smoke which is come out from the vehicles and the burning of the coals are produce the many respiratory problems amongst the human and the animals. Incomplete combustion of the fuel is the where produce the poisonous gas carbon monoxide. Increased percentage of the carbon dioxide in a gas which is responsible for the global warming, and the glacier will be melt with a very rapid speed. Oxides and the sulfur and the nitrogen produced by the burning of the coal, diesels and the petrol causes the acid rain. As you know, the acid amount of acid is harmful for the crop and the buildings that and the soil too, that loses the fertility of the soil, and they damage the plant or the greenery, or even it create the irritation or the itching problem or skin related problem amongst the animal. Now structure of the flame. A flame has a three zone: the outermost thin transparent faint bluish non-luminous region of the complete combustion, the middle bright luminous zone of the partial combustion, and while the innermost is a coldest dark zone which consists of the hot vapors. Now what is the acid rain? When the pollutant like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide dissolve in the rainwater, it forms the acid. The rain of that acid is called acid rain. Now what is the calorific value? As you know, the 1 kg of the fuel will burn, and what amount of heat they are produced, that is called calorific value. It expressed in a unit of the kilojoule per kg. Now combustion, what is it? Combustion is a chemical process in which the substance react with to the oxygen to give off the heat are called combustion. Now what is a deforestation? As you know, cutting down of the trees on a large scale is called deforestation. What is the explosion? The process of combustion in which the large number of the gases will evolve and production of the tremendous amount of heat. It means large amount of heat, light and the sound is called explosion. The flame is produced in a combustible substance vaporized during the burning. Now fire extinction, what is it? Fire extinction is used to control the fire. As you know, every job place and the schools, colleges and every organization have one cylinder who is used for the stopping the fire. The job of the fire extinguisher is to be cut down of the supply of the air in a large number of and bring down the temperature of the fuel or both. It means they are having some non-reactive gases in a cylinder. When we are spreading on the combustible substances that overlap make a layer of that gas and just cut the oxygen supply and the fire get control. What is fuel? Fuel is a substance which may be burned to produce considerable heat without the formation of the undesirable product. It means fuel are those products which are making the large amount of heat without creating large amount of waste product. Now fuel efficiency. The fuel efficiency is expressed in terms of the calorific value. It means if the fuel is creating the large amount of heat by at the time of combustion of the 1 kg of the fuel, so that fuel considered to be a great fuel. And now the global warming. What is it? The rising of the temperature of the atmosphere of the earth due to the combustion of fuel is called global warming. What are the ideal fuel? The fuel which fulfill all requirement of a particular use is called the ideal fuel. What is the initial temperature? Igneous temperature are those temperature at which the substance catch fire and start burning. What are the inflammable substance? The substance which have very low initial temperature that can be easily catch the fire or the flame are called inflammable substances. So that's all about your this chapter. In the new video we will meet with a new subject and the new chapter Till then, have a nice day, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and press the like button. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time.